Hello everyone, if you want to move abroad as a carer, then this video is for you. You really need to watch this. I'm going to show you how you can move down to Canada as a carer and you get your permanent residency in 2 years. I mean, this is so amazing. A lot of people have been looking to moving out to the UK as carers, right? That's like the most popular, moving out to the UK as a carer. And that is because the requirements, for moving down to the UK, well, as a last year, not anymore, was pretty easy. You didn't need like a background in health. You didn't need to like have work experience in health. It was quite easy. Anyone could do it, right? And the UK government added, care work to the shortage occupation list, making it easier for people to move down to the UK as carers. And since it didn't need any like qualification, any education requirement, for this, it became so popular. Like everyone that wanted to move as carers were just looking to the UK. In fact, anybody that wanted to move abroad, was looking at moving to the UK as a carer. But this 2023, it's been different. It's been so difficult to move down to UK as a carer. Care homes in the UK are really not giving COS, things here and there, and that pathway is not that lucrative anymore. And apart from that, it is way easier, like it is better to move down to Canada as a carer than to move down to UK as a carer. And the number one reason why I'm saying it's better is because moving down to the UK as a carer, it will take you 5 years before you're eligible to apply for permanent residency. Whereas when you move to Canada as a carer, you apply for permanent residency after only 2 years. So UK, you have 5 years to permanent residency, while in Canada, you have 2 years to permanent residency. So which would you rather go for? Settling in Canada as a carer is way faster and easier than settling in the UK as a carer. Let's not even talk about the amount of money you're going to pay to apply for your permanent residency. Canada beats UK hands down. And that is why I'm making this video, to tell you how you can do this, move down to Canada as a carer. So I have another video. I'm going to link it up here where I introduce this pathway. So you may want to watch that video to get all the background info, all the basic info you need about the carer program for Canada. Do watch that video. I'm not going to like go through all those details anymore. In this video, I want to talk about the jobs, actual jobs you can apply for as carers in Canada. So I want to show you jobs in this video. So if you're interested in this, then do watch this video to the end. If it's your first time here, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to my channel. Do subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you can be seeing more content like this. I usually share content, that is going to help you to relocate abroad, to live, to study, to work. There are so many pathways and so many countries you can migrate to. And on my channel, you're going to find all that information that is going to help you. So do subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video. And also give this video a thumbs up, give this video a like, please. It helps the video. Just a way of supporting the channel. Give this video a like. Thank you so much. And if you want to talk to me privately about your own personal relocation goals, you can send me an email and we can arrange a one-on-one consultation where we're going to talk over a call. So do send me an email if you want to talk to me privately. So there are different ways to be a carer in Canada. You can be a home child care provider. You can be a home support worker, a live-in caregiver. That is where you live in the homes of the people you're caring for. You can care for them in their own homes and you can care for them in your home. And then we have caring for children. We have caring for people with high medical needs. So there are different ways, you can be a carer in Canada. After only 2 years of working in Canada as a carer, you can apply for permanent residency. Another amazing thing about being a carer in Canada is that the requirements are really low. You don't need experience. People without experience, without a degree, can take up these caring jobs in Canada. And this is not really common knowledge. But yes, you don't need a degree to do this and you don't need work experience. Although having a degree, having a health background, having work experience is an asset in the industry. But when you're coming into the industry, you can totally do it without any experience and without a background in health. So let me quickly show you a job opening for a caregiver role in Canada so we can see the requirements for this. All right, so let's see this one. This is child caregiver in a private home. And this job is open to people in Canada and those overseas. So if you're overseas, you can apply for this particular job, right? And you can apply for this one right now. It's open to overseas applicants. So I just want to show you the requirements so you can know what to expect. All right, so this is the language is English. Education, they say they're looking for secondary school graduation certificate. So all you need is secondary school certificate, right? You don't need to have a degree to be a carer in Canada. And you're going to be working in an employer's home. This is just for this opening. And these are the responsibilities. You perform light housekeeping and cleaning duties, discipline children according to the methods requested by the parents, instruct children in personal hygiene and social development, keep records of daily activities and health information regarding children, maintain a safe and healthy environment in the home, organize activities such as games and outings for children, prepare and serve nutritious meals, supervise and care for children, tend to emotional well-being of children. So that is what they are asking for. And so this is basically it, your task, and this is the requirements, just secondary school. And for experience, they say it is an asset. Experience is an asset. All right. And for this particular job, you can apply to this email address right here. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So that's for this one. So let me show you another one. Right, while doing my research, I saw so many job openings for carers in Canada. Like, there are hundreds and if not thousands of them. There are a lot of them. So let me show you this other one. And this one is for in-home caregiver. So these are the tasks, right? Providing companionship, personal care, things like that. And these are the requirements: secondary school diploma or graduation certificate, right? Experience is not necessary, but an advantage. Obviously, if two people are applying for the same job, one does not have experience and the other has experience, they are definitely going to go with the one that has experience. So that is why they say experience is an advantage, but it's not necessary. All right, so you can communicate in English and you can properly and safely lift and transfer patients. We offer LMIA, apply if you are in Canada, right? So now this particular one is for those that are already in Canada. So if you're a student in Canada, you're a dependent looking for a job and a sponsorship job, this has, LMIA, you can apply for this, okay? And one amazing thing about Canada, and I've said this in my previous videos, is that you can work in Canada as a tourist, right? So you can move down to Canada on a tourist visa. So you don't need a job offer to move down to Canada. You don't need LMIA, you don't need IELTS. Just get a tourist visa, move down to Canada, and then take up these carer jobs. That is another way to do it. So just find your way into Canada and then explore all these LMIA jobs in Canada that are for people already in Canada. I have so many of them. I'm going to do a separate video about these care jobs in Canada. The way I do videos about jobs in Australia, jobs in the UK, I'm going to do one for carers in Canada. So expect that video tomorrow. I'm going to show you LMIA jobs that are available for carers in Canada. You just need to know where to find these jobs. They are all over the place. I saw them while I was doing my research. So I'll just do a video about it. So anyone interested in applying, taking up these care jobs in Canada can just apply for them directly. All right, so let me know what you think about this in the comments, and let me know if you're within Canada and need this kind of job, or if you're outside Canada and want to move down. Just let me know in the comments so I can know the kind of job opportunities to show you in my next video, so I can know the kind of videos to make about this generally. So do give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, please. That's just one favor I want from you, and it's free. Just hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you want to be seeing more information like this. Thank you so much for watching this. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in the next one.